Please pay special attention today, as God is saying that something unexpected happened to you. Your angels are alertly tracking each step as you get closer to a crucially important positive. Every area of your life is about to undergo transformation. Are you ready to welcome it? Yes, to embrace this divine transition. 606. Your angels of protection are always there, present, assisting you at this vital moment. Prepare yourself for a significant favorable shift that trickles down to your income, relationships, job, and health. Are you prepared to take advantage of this chance to confirm your preparedness? 707. Your angelic protectors are by you, recognizing the importance of this time. Prepare for a monumental change that will lead to financial abundance. Are relationships, job, and health something you're ready to accept? A positive wave that says yes to claiming your blessings. 808. And your angelic allies are keeping an eye on you, understanding the significance of this turning point and getting ready for a big favorable development in your financial situation, relationships, job, and health. Are you prepared to open this new chapter and accept the change? 909. Your heavenly guardians are watching over you, indicating a revolutionary time for you to look forward to a significant change that will bring wealth to your finances. Are you open to accepting these in terms of relationships, career, and health? Blessings. Accept their invitation to enter your life. 1010. Your angels are keeping a close eye on you, eyes on you, realizing the importance of this moment and preparing yourself for a comprehensive favorable changes in your financial situation, relationships, profession, and health. Are you prepared to accept this plenty? If so, say yes to claiming your blessings. 111. You are being guided by celestial guardians throughout this crucial time to get ready for a big improvement in your financial situation and relationships. Are your health and career ready to accept this new in chapter 12? You indicate your readiness by saying yes, and your guardian angels are beside you, appreciating the significance of this instant. Get ready for a profoundly positive make changes to your relationships, job, finances, and health. Are you ready to embrace this change and say yes to claiming your blessings? 111. Your celestial allies are keeping vigil as you near at this crucial point. Look forward to a significant improvement in your financial situation. Are you open to accepting these in terms of relationships, career, and health? Blessings. Accept your invitation to welcome your divine defenders into your life. Are aware of the importance of this moment and paying attention. Get ready for a potent change to a prosperous financial, romantic, and professional life and health. Are you ready to open this new chapter and accept the change? 333. Your angels are alert and observing you, indicating a transformational period ahead. So get ready for a massive boost in positivity change in your financial situation, relationships, job, and health. Are you prepared to accept this plenty? If so, say yes to claiming your blessings. For 4. As you are being guided by your celestial advisors throughout this crucial now, get ready for a big improvement in your financial situation, relationships, work, and well-being. Are you ready to accept this? Say yes to affirming your readiness in the new chapter. 555. Your guardian angels are beside you, appreciating the significance of this instant. Get ready for a profoundly positive alteration in your financial situation, relationships, job, and health. Are you ready to embrace this change and say yes to taking back your blessings? Your celestial friends are keeping an eye on you. As you approach a pivotal point, you should expect a significant improvement in your financial situation. Are you open to accepting these in terms of relationships, career, and health? 7 hours, 77 minutes, your divine blessings accept your invitation to enter your life. Guards are alert, understanding the importance of this moment. Get ready for a significant change that will bring about financial riches. Are you willing to take a chance on your relationships, job, and health? 8 hours, 88 minutes, your angels embrace the change in this new chapter. Are keeping a close eye on you to indicate a period of change. Get ready for a significant improvement in your financial situation. Are your relationships, job, and health ready to accept this? Richness. Accept and receive your blessings for 99 minutes. You are being guided by celestial guides during this crucial time as you get ready for a big improvement in your financial situation, relationships, job, and health. Are you ready to welcome this new chapter? If the answer is yes, please confirm your preparedness. 10. Your guardian angels are with you and understand how important it is to prepare yourself now for a significant improvement in your financial situation. Are your relationships, job, and health ready to accept this transformation? Say yes to claiming your blessings and welcome your celestial allies. 111 are keeping an eye on you as you near a crucial turning point and expect a significant favorable achievement in your financial situation, relationships, job, and health. Are you willing to accept these blessings? If so, please accept their invitation. Your life 1212, your heavenly guardians are aware of the importance of at this precise moment. Get ready for a significant change that will lead to financial affluence. Are you willing to take a chance on your relationships, job, and health? Chapter 13113. Accept the change and know that your angels are watching over you. Attentive eye on you, indicating a period of transformation to come. Prepare for a sweeping, favorable changes in your financial situation, relationships, profession, and health. Are you prepared to accept this plenty? If so, say yes to claiming your blessings. 1414. You are being guided by your celestial guides throughout this crucial now. Get ready for a big improvement in your financial situation, relationships, work, and well-being. Are you ready to accept this? Say yes to affirming your readiness in the new chapter. 1515. Your guardian angels are beside you, appreciating the significance of this instant. Get ready for a profoundly positive alteration in your financial situation, relationships, job, and health. Are you ready to embrace this change and say yes to taking back your blessings? 1616. As you approach A, your celestial friends are keeping an eye on you. At this crucial point, look forward to a significant improvement in your financial situation. Are you open to accepting these in terms of relationships, career, and health? Blessings. Accept your invitation to enter your life. 1717. Your heavenly guardians are being aware of the importance of this moment and getting ready for an impactful change to a prosperous financial, romantic, and professional life and health. Are you ready to enter this new realm of Raper and accept the? Say that your guardian angel is working miracles specifically for you. Yes, to accept them. Your heavenly staff is devoted to bringing about. Say yes to receiving extraordinary blessings in your life from a celestial. A tsunami of prosperity is coming your way. Accept it and greet it with open arms. There is supernatural intervention at work, paving the way for extraordinary blessings. Accept them in, for your guardian angel is working things you can't imagine. Your imagination allows you to go through there. Say yes to bask in the magic that a cascade of blessings is about to shower you with. Your celestial support network is lining up stars in your glory. Favor. Accept their cosmic gifts and get ready to be amazed by the miracles are happening in your life. Accept their invitation to enter. Say that your angelic advisors are arranging a symphony of benefits specifically for you. Yes, the cosmos is working to help them tune into their harmony. Bestow blessings upon you. Accept its abundance. Presents your angel of protection is guiding you to the threshold of unmatched blessings. Greet you as you enter this divine realm and offer you a celestial feast of benefits, waiting for you to say yes. Enjoy the abundance that your angelic team is removing. The road to miracles is one of acceptance and welcoming them with thankfulness. Miracles are waiting for you at your door. The guardian angel is whispering secrets about your guardian. So say yes to let them in. Blessings that are still to come. Say yes to hearing their divine guidance. A magnificent show of blessings is being prepared for you by the cosmos. Respectfully, accept the invitation to join this cosmic party. Your angelic buddies are working in the background to release BL benefits when you accept their offerings. A celestial tempest of felicitations is brewing, prepared to whisk you off. Your guardian angel is constructing a wave of abundance that your feet say yes to riding. A miracle tapestry created specifically for you to acknowledge and appreciate the cosmos is working together, beautiful, to bring you unending benefits. Say yes to its kind offers and measure. Your angelic allies are saying yes to watching them while sowing the seeds of blessings in the garden of your life bloom. Get ready to be amazed by the divine magic that is appearing in you. Say yes to life and experience the splendor that your guardian angel is creating. A masterpiece of benefits created in your honor. Accept to see its splendor. Say yes to partake in the celestial banquet of benefits that is being prepared in your name. Your heavenly crew is illuminating the heavens with stars of blessings. Plenty. The universe is sending a flood so that you might say yes and indulge in their radiant state. Countless blessings to slake your soul's thirst. Accept to sip from its. Your God guardian angel is creating a picture of benefits for you on the canvas of your riches. Life invites you to appreciate its splendor. A heavenly symphony of gifts is ready to comfort your spirit. Accept to dance to its melody as I travel through life. I'm filled with anticipation for the miracles that lie ahead. Develop with every sunrise. I excitedly awaken to the rise of fresh beginnings, looking forward to the rewards that will come my way as I take care of the seeds of hope, knowing they will soon blossom into lovely blessings. As I make my way through the turns and bends of life's journey with a heart full of faith, certain of the plenty that lies ahead, I prepare myself by exhaling thankfulness and inhaling optimism with each breath. My soul to accept the plenty that is all around me. Much like a sailor led by the North Star, I steadfastly trust in the plan of the universe as I navigate the waters of life. I dance to the beat of the universe's symphony, excitedly anticipating the guidance that will take me to prosperity. Crescendo of favors that will bring happiness into my life. I am a pilgrim on the path of destiny, traveling to a place where wonders abound and dreams come true. I'm getting closer to realizing my dreams with each step I take, knowing that everything in the universe is working to my advantage. And I'm about to grandeur, ready to enter a future full of limitless possibilities and countless benefits. As I look up at the stars, I see more than just sparkling lights. Lights of hope, like a gardener tending to a flower, illuminating the way to my brightest hopes. I grow optimism in my life like a garden, patiently awaiting its flowering. Blessings when they come due. Miracles seem to attract me. I walk with purpose and intention, drawing to me all the goodness that the universe has in store. Being aware that every step I take moves me one step closer to realizing my innermost as I weave my desires, faith, and appreciation into the fabric of my life. I create a work of art embellished with benefits to come. I am a vessel of plenty prepared to bursting at the seams with the gifts the universe is about to give me. Every morning I wake up to a world full of opportunities, ready to seize the opportunities that I am a co-creator of my reality going forward, creating a happy and prosperous canvas. With the hues of hope and faith, I have faith in the divine timing of the universe, understanding that everything occurs just when it is supposed to, in perfect order, in tune with my ultimate good. I'm looking for serendipity, discovering magic in the times when everything comes together to bring me unexpected blessings. With an optimistic heart and a grateful soul, I embrace the wealth that easily enters my life. I am responsible for ensuring my own happiness, an attitude of plenty, and drawing blessings to myself like a magnet. I'm a foot dreamer, solidly grounded and prepared to transform my dreams become reality with the efficacy of optimistic thought. I exude optimism like the warmth from the sun illuminates the route, allowing blessings to make their way to. I consider myself to be a believer in the unusual, accepting life's enchantment. And with every second that goes by, I draw, hoping for the wonders that lay just beyond the horizon. Knowledge that the universe is working in my favor to get me